Custom control logic and variables. Custom controls are now more powerful than ever with the addition of logic and variable actions. Build smarter workflows within the custom control editor using conditional queries like if and else values. If the next command is true, then execute the following action. Else, if it is false, then execute the next action. When all conditions are false, then do this action. The custom control terminates itself when it gets a positive result. Custom control variables enable dynamic parameters within custom controls, allowing operators to modify custom control behavior, timing, and operational values without rebuilding whole sequences each time. For example, change one variable value to repoint branding in all applicable custom controls at once. In this example, an AutoLogic custom control triggers different transition types depending on the source we have selected in preview. If replay 1 or replay 2 is in preview, the logic triggers a replay wipe custom control that sets our transition to media wipe, loads the effect in the media store, and triggers the media transition. If neither replay source is selected, the switcher instead performs the transition currently designated in the transition controls. To make this AutoLogic custom control a seamless part of our control panel operation, we've attached the custom directly to the auto transition button, so the logic runs every time we press the button to trigger a transition. This means operators can move between cameras using standard dissolves, wipes, or DV transitions, while the system automatically applies the correct replay effect whenever replay is taken to air. Variables add another layer of flexibility by changing how a custom control behaves without rebuilding the sequence. Here, variable values are used to prepare different scene looks. Selecting a background updates the variable, so when Media Store 3 is placed in preview, the correct Yosemite background is automatically loaded. Additional variables can define the graphic style, such as morning or evening, and communicate that selection to expression. When the key is triggered, the custom control can pause, animate the graphic on or off, and apply the selected background and weather graphic skin. With variables and logic working together, one custom control can drive multiple looks, transitions, and graphic states from a single workflow. For more information on HyperMax version 12, please visit rossvideo.com.